These flowers offer more nectar than almost any other. But when each flower opens, the cactus loses precious water. So they only open once, and for less than a day. As different cacti bloom through spring and summer, they provide a much-needed food source. With Mom's guidance, the 8-week-old pup is learning when and where to find them. Even the petals are nutritious, packed with the protein and carbs a growing pup needs. These flowers may be fleeting, but some tiny creatures have an ingenious way of preserving their riches. Hidden deep underground, a nest, stocked with a treasured liquid. Honeypot ants are stuffed with so much nectar, they swell as large as a grape, 20 times their original size. These living storage containers can hardly move, and have to be cared for by the other ants. When the outside world is barren, this liquid gold sustains the whole colony until better times return.